In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to create a YouTube automation business from scratch and earn a passive income. Because by its name YouTube automation, we can completely automate this business and can generate up to $1,000 per video over a passage of time if you are consistent about it. In this video, I'm going to tell you the topics on which you can create your own YouTube channel. So this YouTube automation business consists of script writing, voiceover, thumbnail, editing, uploading. And all of these things can be done for you with the help of AI and freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Before getting into this video, hit like because I guarantee you that after watching this video, you'll be able to start your own YouTube automation business and subscribe to my channel so that you cannot miss the other business ideas which I have explained in this channel and I'm going to explain in the future. So for this business, all you need to think is a profitable niche, which I'm going to tell you, and just the YouTube channel. And you've taken your first step towards your $1 million journey. But there's one thing I'm going to tell you again, you have to be consistent and don't get demotivated if you don't get any views or less views in the first 2 or 3 or 4 videos. It will take time. So before you get paid by the YouTube have certain criteria, like your channel need to have minimum of 1,000 subscribers and minimum 4,000 watch hours. So the first step is that I tell in most of my videos, in order to create a profitable business, you have to select a profitable niche. Niche means topic. So I will highly recommend you to start this YouTube automation business by choosing from one of these niches. The first niche is finance, because it is by far the most profitable niche in the YouTube and have the higher CPM. And higher CPM means you'll get more money per 1,000 views. So most of the videos on the YouTube makes $1 or $2, and the lifestyle channel makes $3 to $4, and the educational content for the kids can make up to $8 to $12. Finance can make you up to $22 per 1,000 views. Means if your video gets 100,000 views and you divide it by 1,000 and multiply it by $22, then this video alone can make you $2,200. Like this video of Ali Abdal have 12 million views, and rest it's up to you to calculate the money that he made from this video. So can you. Other than just earning from the YouTube, finance niche can make you money by sponsors, affiliate marketing, and if you have your own finance company, you can also promote it here like any course or book through which your viewers can make money and ultimately you'll make money. So the next niche is technology and car. In this niche, the CPM is around $7 up to $20. And secondly, if you are passionate about the cars or technology, then it's going to be more fun than just a business for you. Plus, this niche can also get you more sponsors once your audience is high. So the next niche is top 10 niche or compilation niche. You've probably seen the top 10 videos, top 10 cars, top 10 best places to visit. So these kind of videos. Although this niche doesn't have much higher CPM because it's only $3.6, but the amount of views these kind of channel gets are tremendous. So it can make way more money than finance or the technology or car channels if you do it right, like these videos. There's one thing, I'm not saying that you can only get successful in these 3 niches. You can get successful in any of the niche you're passionate about. The thing is, if you're consistent in it. Step 1 is complete. Now it's time to select the style of the videos you're going to make in your selected area. Obviously, these videos are going to be faceless, but like if we talk about finance niche, you have to narrow it down to the specific niches. Like if you want to make video about cryptos, or if you want to make videos about how to make money, or the channel with the recent finance news. There are a ton of ideas in one niche you can come up with, but you have to spend some hours in order to find what content works in your niche, how you will create it, and most importantly, if you can make something better or new in your niche. I'll make a video here with you. I like finance and I also like top 10 things. I have to create something new. I'm gonna merge these two and create a video on, for example, top 10 passive incomes. So it's not mandatory that I'm doing it, so you have to do it. You can also make the videos on top 10 scariest animal, top 10 best places to visit, etc. Now Now most of the people fail is because they think if they have selected a niche and a YouTube channel, they are good to go and make millions, then end up losing their interest in this. But you have to come up with a good title and a good thumbnail. These are the first things viewer can see, not your video. So starting with the title, for example, I'm going to make a video on top 10 passive incomes online. So I'm going to search a similar title on the YouTube. After tweaking a little bit in their titles, it would be like 10 online passive income ideas 2023, because your title shouldn't be too long and reflects what is in your video. Now that we have a great title, it's time to have a great thumbnail. So there are two ways to do it, either by creating it yourself using Canva or any other free software, or by paying $5 to $10 on Fiverr to some professional. I will recommend this because first thing, it will look more engaging, and secondly, so what's the point of automating this business or passive income if you are doing it all by yourself? Now we have a great title and perfect thumbnail. So the step 3 is the video itself, and it starts with a script. Again, you can create the script by yourself if you are good at writing it, but who have time to think and write when we have ChatGPT with us to make this super simple? So we just have to go to ChatGPT and ask it, write 10-minute script for YouTube video on 10 online passive income ideas. It will create a perfect script in seconds. After ChatGPT is done with it, you can change or add anything, like adding your channel name at the start. So the secret of writing script with AI is to tell AI to write down in a certain way. For example, when asking it, write at the end with the minimum effort. So it will show you the ideas in which the effort is minimum. And the step 4 is voiceover. You can do this by yourself if you have a good voice, or you can head to Fiverr and hire someone professional in $10 or $20. And one thing, the voiceover should be in a correct way for the topic. For example, you have the money making video and you're presenting it in a funny voice. It is not going to work and divert your viewers from your video. Like this.
In this video, we are going to tell you the 10 passive income ideas through which you can become millionaire.
So it is not going to work like this. Once finalizing the voiceover according to your script, it's time to edit the video. And thanks to this video sponsor InVideo, now it's very easy and you do not have to deal with the hectic of editing on those back-breaking softwares to edit the videos. Because InVideo have everything you need in order to edit the video. For example, background music, stock footages, and once you start editing on it, it will become more easy for you. So the first step in editing the video is to edit the audio. Upload the audio to the timeline and cut out any silent parts in the audio by using this split tool here, and after cutting out the silent parts, combine the audios to make it sound nice. Now the next part is to add the pictures into your audio, but keep in mind the pictures should reflect on what you're saying in the video to keep the viewers engaged. Like in this video, we are talking about money. We are going to search the footage which is related to the money and add them to your timeline. Now it's up to you on how long you want to keep the one picture and next and so on. So after this, now let's add music to your video, which you can find by clicking on the music tab and find music from InVideo, where they have thousands of music, and you can use it here until you found the perfect one for your video. Adjust the volume of voiceover and the music by clicking at the volume and fade button, because you don't want to have the volume of the music louder than your voiceover. Now if you want to add the text to your video, you can also do that by clicking at the text and add it wherever you want to. So after adding text, videos, music and all the things, it's time to export the video in full HD quality, and for this you have to sign up for their pay plan. This will also give you access to their thousands of free music templates and more free stock footages, which will make your video better, which results in more views, hence more money. After completing it, just click export and click the high quality export, and bam, you have the video to upload. And right now if you sign up for them using the link in the description, you'll get 25% off. And now you know everything in the most easiest way to create this $1 million business idea. And now the final step is to upload the video on YouTube. You need to upload the video here and add title and a little description about your video, or get AI to summarize it for you, and then attach your thumbnail to this video. And now at the bottom here comes the tags. This is where you want to put your videos related keywords so YouTube know where to promote your video. Since my video is about money and passive income, I will add these keywords. episodes and just upload it and keep doing it until your channel blows up and start making passive income for you. So be consistent. But if you think this business idea is not for you, then I have uploaded and will going to upload more business idea in this channel like this one, where I have explained how to start your own clothing brand from scratch and with no money. If you find any value in this video, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue my 20 business ideas challenge for this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.